Hello and welcome in new video. What's in the box of the iPhone 30 Pro Max, and we will compare all the colors that he came with. But before we start, don't miss to put a like for the video and subscribe for the channel. So this is the iPhone 30 Pro Max. This model is the Sierra blue color. For me, it's the most impressive color. Opening the box, we will have the device. The rest of the box, we will have the cable of charging. It's USB Lightning, and we will have some manuals. This is all we have on the box of the iPhone 30 series. The device comes with 4 colors, starting with the Sierra blue. We have the silver one, we have the gold one, and the last one is a graphite. This is all the colors that came with the iPhone 30 Pro Max. For me, the best is the iPhone 30 Pro Max Sierra blue, for the price of the device starting from $1,200 in the United States. Before we finish the video, don't miss to put a like and subscribe for the channel to more unboxing. Thank you and see you on the next time.